Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. On offer we have this 1974 MGB GT. Car we previously sold, we know it quite well. Car was restored some time ago, but is still in absolutely outstanding condition, as you will see as I walk around the bodywork. Paintwork is beautifully bright and glossy. All the panel fit is really good. It's really quite a rare car these days. We don't see too many late GTs. A lot of them have been rebodied as roadsters, as they were more popular for a while. GTs are really quite a practical proposition. There's quite a lot of room in the back, and obviously you don't have to worry of the potential leaks from the soft top. The car sits beautifully square. It really was restored to a very high standard, and there's lots of receipts and history in the folder. The interior's been retrimmed as well. It's got this attractive velvet style seat cover. Dashboard crackle finish is all good. Hatch area all trimmed as well to a good standard. Car's nicely warmed up. Oil pressure at 45, which you'd expect to see. Just pop the bonnet so you can have a look in there as well. All clean and tidy. Car's fitted with a servo, quite useful. Nice and clean around the brake fluid reservoirs, which is good to see. Car's also got an oil cooler fitted. So there you have it, a really tidy example of popular MGB GT in a strong colour and ready to go. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage, and thank you for watching.